Hey guys, how are you? Okay, so today, as I promised, we are starting the masterclass. Okay, so this channel is all about simple communication and straightforward communication. Okay, so let us start the masterclass with a very simple concept. Okay, to all the viewers, this masterclass class is aimed at management student and other management enthusiasts. Okay, so the complex subjects may not be discussed. The topic will be very simple, and these are basically for students who can understand the basics of things. We will not be doing what is being done in the colleges. We will not be replacing a teacher education. That is not possible. Teachers are very invaluable for the society. But what we will be doing is we will be supplementing the teachers by giving real industrial stories, okay, which they can use it as their allied support during their classes. Or the students can in turn come back to this channel and they can hear stories about what they have learned in the classes. So this will be a very practical approach, a very simple approach. We will try to keep all our things within 15 minutes, but there are few concepts which cannot be kept within 15 minutes. So we will try to keep within 15, but definitely not more than 30 minutes. Okay. So let us probably start with very simple. Okay. We all know what is marketing and what are all the things which are very important for the basics of marketing, which are products, price, place, and promotion. Okay. 4 P's of marketing. Let us probably go one step before that. You may have actually learned a lot of definition of marketing by lots of marketing gurus and people. Let me probably give you a practical walkthrough of what is marketing. Okay, I am not going to discover any specific process. During the course of 20 plus years, 22 years of my experience in branding, advertising, market, business growth, mergers and acquisitions. So I am going to put all my experience and try to give you as much as possible the market stories behind all the concepts what you guys are learning in the colleges or learning in the books. I'm going to use materials out of the internet, which something which is very basic and which are something which I'm allowed to use. I will be giving proper credits. I will be also giving the link of those materials in this description of this video so that you can also go and look through it. Going ahead, specifically with regards to uh, marketing, uh, other than the definition of marketing, let us probably go into the basic process of marketing. Okay, so a definition can also be understood by the process. Basically, instead of saying what you are, you can also understand what you are by how you are being done. That is the approach which we are going to take. So, one of the materials which I actually find, okay, so this is a material which I have now taken straight away from the page in SlideShare. If you are a management student, I strongly recommend to constantly watch SlideShare because a lot of materials in SlideShare are original material which they actually put based on their actual presentation in the business or probably in their research paper. This is a material posted by Dr. Zia. Yeah. So I'm going to use that material. One of the things which I really like about this is a very simple model of marketing process. Okay, marketing is basically to tell what the company is doing to the market. Please don't confuse. Marketing is different. Sales is different. Okay, uh, and that is the reason why I am actually taking this particular slide. Okay, so specifically, marketing. The process of marketing goes by this. First thing is, first thing is you have a product or services. Okay, so you need some mechanism so that you can understand the market. See, whenever people use a word called market, it actually doesn't correspond directly to a market. It can actually be a virtual market also. So that is why we use a term called marketplace nowadays. So marketplace is something where the business happens. It can be a business to business B2B or business to customer B2C. Okay. The first step of any marketing process is understanding the marketplace and the customer needs and wants. Okay. There is a very big definition of needs and wants. What are the needs and what are the wants? Okay. I will take a separate session for explaining needs and wants with examples. Okay. Let us probably consider my company itself as an example. Media Metrics. In India, we are around 12 years old company, and overall, we are in the industry for more than 15 years. So, if as a company person from Media Metrics, what should I do first when it comes to marketing? I should understand what are the marketplaces which are available for me to go and understand and get customers for me. Example, I do, let's say, web marketing service, digital marketing service. So I should be going and looking for companies who are looking for digital marketing companies. Okay. So though that is my marketplace. Anybody who is actually looking for digital marketing company, whether they are looking in the internet or they are looking in the business conferences or they are looking in the networking, this is my marketplace. And then second step, after going and talking with them or based on my experience, I have to have a list saying that any client who is coming to Media Metrics, they may be asking for the basic services. Those are all called as the needs. Okay. And these are the services which they already have and they want an expansion on that. That is a value addition on that, which are the wants. The basic sustainability of need and the additional portrayal of brand power in wants is combined as needs and wants. Okay. So now I know the marketplace. Now I know the client. Now I know what they are asking for. And I have the service which I can offer it to them. What is the next thing? The next thing is called design a customer driven marketing strategy. Okay, this is something which is very important. Why I'm choosing this particular slide share as an example is because the customer driven marketing strategy is something which everybody has to understand. One of the mistakes which any startup or any business from a previous generation actually does is there is a standard marketing strategy and then they will try to fit the customer into that marketing strategy. You understand? So, the definition of designing a customer driven marketing strategy is the new age concept where I will be teaching you all the marketing models, okay, in the master classes which are coming. But it is not structured. It means it is not something which is standardized. Okay, you cannot use the same marketing concept which is being designed for company A to be precisely presented to company B, even though they are in the same industry, even though they perform the same services. Okay, in today's context, every company is trying to create an USP, which is called USP means unique selling proposition. USP, so that they differentiate themselves with their competitors. So you need to adopt your marketing strategy for each of these customers. Next, now you have the marketing strategy ready. What you should do? You should probably devise a program. When I say program, it is activities. For this particular marketing strategy, these are the activities which I am going to perform. Example. As we took digital marketing is coming. In digital marketing, what are all the, it can be SEO, search engine optimization, SMO, social media optimization, SEM, search engine marketing. Okay. Other things like reputation management and all those things are also there. Digital PR, things like that. So these are the marketing program, and it should add value to what they are paying. That is what is marketing is all about. That is what is business is all about. If I am a business owner, if I come to you for taking your service, why I am coming? Because I am expecting a value addition through your service. Okay. And then see, students, ladies and gentlemen, I have not spoken anything about sale till now. I have not spoken anything about money till now. Because marketing is not about money, not about sales. It is about positioning. It is about communication, communicating your services to the marketplace. Okay. The next thing is you have to build a profitable relationship and create customer delight. I'm going to split this into two, and I'm not going to speak much about customer delight in this video, because customer delight itself is a very subjective topic, and it is a very vast topic which we can probably take it to a separate subject. Generally, we can understand what a customer delight is: satisfaction. Let us probably give a service which is satisfied to them. But how we should do it? We should be creating a profitable relationship. It is not saying that profitable business. If it is going to be profitable business, then it means that, like, you are going to earn a lot of profit out of that. But it is not that. It says that profitable relationship. Marketing is all about relationship. Okay, where you go and get a client, not exactly for the with regards to the sale, but you position the product to them. Okay, in today's context, the sale may not happen. The client may remain as a prospect, but a relationship would have already been created, and that is what is being captured here. And the final thing of this very simple marketing process is capture the value from customers to create profit and customer equity. Again, value as a profit and customer as an equity, not money. Okay, please understand, these are all very deep subjects. We will take each of it and then we will cover it every week. Okay, for now, please understand, a simple marketing model is you have a product or services, you go to the market, see who will be your potential customer, understand what they want, create a marketing strategy for that, you create a programs for that particular strategy, and that can give a very good relationship between you and your customer, which will make them satisfied. And through this process, you will be able to identify little bit of a value which you can give it to the customer, and in turn he can be a very good customer for you. You can be a good service provider for them, they can be a good good client for you. This is the very simple model of marketing. I have not created anything. We don't need to create anything. Business management is all about common sense, and all the theoretical models are only like a guiding thing where you can use it in your own language. Think of it like a dictionary. Dictionary gives a lot of words and meanings of it. Okay, it doesn't give you a sentence which you should use. All the concepts are like that. It is given for your understanding. You can use it, and you can change it into your own winning model. I will be able to give you lot of these theoretical ideas with practical explanation, and I will guide you through, and we will work together, and we will take a winning formula. I hope you like this video. This is our first master class. There are lot more to come. I will see you all in my next video. Thank you very much.